Greetings, everyone! In today's video, join us for a tour of a charming townhouse on coveted Perry Street at the heart of the West Village. It has been thoughtfully renovated, while retaining many of its original details. With multiple living and entertaining spaces. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 8 fireplaces. This 19th century residence spans 3 stories and stands out as an architectural masterpiece, featuring a delightful construction style with charming old red brick. Before we step into the house, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Upon crossing the threshold, a wall adorned with picture frames warmly welcomes you into the space. Adjacent to the entrance is a generously sized living area boasting large windows that offer a picturesque view of the main street. A splendid fireplace takes center stage, surrounded by its own sofas and an elegant coffee table. Right next to the living area lies the captivating dining room, complete with its own fireplace and an extensive bookshelf, creating a true haven for book lovers. The table can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. Shifting slightly to the left reveals a beautiful study with a productive atmosphere, featuring a stylish study table positioned near a spacious window overlooking the backyard garden. Transitioning to the second living area, mirroring the first, it offers ample space, its own fireplace, an L-shaped sofa, a coffee table, and a bookshelf with abundant storage. Progressing forward, the second dining table for 6 comes into view, flanked by walls adorned with hanging photo frames. Approaching the kitchen, you'll find a spacious open room with a central island and its own fireplace. Modern equipment fills the kitchen, and a comfortable chair allows you to relax while your food is being prepared. Moving on to the open Juliet balcony connected to the kitchen, equipped with 2 beach chairs, a round table with a capacity for 4, and a beach umbrella for sunny days. A well-equipped powder room is conveniently located for the comfort of guests. Advancing towards the first bedroom, you'll discover a roomy space with plenty of shelves, cabinets, and a captivating view from 2 windows. Approaching the bathroom reveals a setup with a single vanity, a glass-enclosed shower area, and a bathtub positioned beneath a massive window. Transitioning to the second bedroom, similar to the first, it is spacious, featuring 2 windows that flood the room with natural light. Moving on to the third bedroom, equipped with a single window, a fireplace, and a work table with ample storage shelves. Progressing to the second bathroom, you'll find a single vanity with an enclosed shower area, mirroring the previous bathroom. Descending to the basement, a spacious room unfolds with an open kitchen, expansive windows offering a view of the back garden, a fireplace, and a workbench, a multifunctional space for both relaxation and productivity. Finally, approaching the last bedroom reveals a spacious room with 2 expansive windows and a substantial bookshelf, creating an ideal sanctuary for book lovers.